Have you ever wondered why Japanese homes always feel so calm and organized? It's not because people spend hours cleaning every single day. In fact, many busy families clean less than you might think. Their secret lies in a few simple habits practiced every day. These habits prevent clutter before it has a chance to grow. They make cleaning faster, easier, and far less stressful. The result is a home that feels peaceful from the moment you walk inside. And the best part is that none of these habits require expensive organizers or complicated systems. Anyone can start using them today. Over the next few minutes, you'll discover 7 powerful Japanese habits that can completely change the way you care for your home. Some may surprise you because they're incredibly simple. Let's begin with the first habit. The first Japanese habit is giving everything a home. Every everyday item has one specific place where it belongs. From your keys to your shoes, nothing is left without a destination. That means there's never a question about where something should go. When you're finished using an item, it goes back immediately, not later, not tomorrow, right away. This simple routine prevents small messes from turning into overwhelming clutter. It also saves time because you're never searching for lost belongings. Over time, your home begins to organize itself through habit instead of effort. The goal isn't perfection, it's creating a system that's easy to follow every single day. And that's what makes Japanese homes feel naturally tidy. The second habit is owning less, but choosing better. Japanese homes aren't empty. They're simply free from things that serve no real purpose. Instead of filling every shelf, people keep what they truly use and appreciate. This creates more space without making a home feel cold. Fewer belongings also mean fewer things to clean, organize, and maintain. Daily chores become quicker and less overwhelming. Every object earns its place through usefulness or meaning. That's why minimalist Japanese homes feel comfortable instead of crowded. It's not about getting rid of everything, it's about making room for what truly matters. When your home contains less clutter, your mind often feels lighter too. The third habit is following the one in, one out rule. Whenever something new enters the home, something old leaves. This simple habit prevents clutter from growing little by little. Instead of filling every shelf, Japanese families create balance. They regularly make space before adding more. That keeps every room feeling open and comfortable. The goal isn't to own less for the sake of it. It's to avoid collecting things you'll never use. Over time, this habit becomes completely natural, and your home stays organized without needing massive decluttering sessions. The fourth habit is never letting small messes wait. If a task takes less than a minute, do it immediately. A single dirty plate is easy to wash. 10 dirty plates feel like a chore. The same is true for clothes, countertops, and everyday clutter. Small actions prevent big cleaning sessions. That's why Japanese homes rarely feel overwhelming. Cleaning becomes part of daily life instead of a separate weekend activity. And staying organized suddenly feels effortless. The fifth habit is ending every day with a simple reset. Before going to bed, take just 1 minute to restore each room. Fold the blanket, put away anything left on the table. Return everyday items to where they belong. These tiny actions take almost no time, but they completely change how your morning begins. Instead of waking up to yesterday's mess, you wake up to a home that already feels calm. That's one of the simplest habits behind the peaceful feeling found in many Japanese homes. The sixth habit is welcoming fresh air every single day. Many Japanese families begin the morning by opening their windows. Fresh air instantly makes a home feel lighter and cleaner. Natural sunlight also brightens every room. Together, they create a calm and refreshing atmosphere. Even just a few minutes can make a noticeable difference. It's a simple daily ritual that costs nothing. Yet it helps your home feel healthier and more inviting. Sometimes the smallest habits have the biggest impact. A peaceful home isn't only about what you remove. It's also about bringing in light, air, and a sense of calm. That's a habit worth practicing every morning. The seventh habit is making decluttering a regular routine. Instead of waiting for a messy home, they remove small amounts of clutter on a regular basis. Just a few items each week are enough. That keeps possessions from quietly piling up over time. Decluttering becomes a simple habit instead of a stressful project. Every item you remove creates more space to enjoy what remains. A tidy home isn't created in one weekend. It's maintained through small decisions made every day. That's why these homes continue to feel peaceful year after year. Consistency always beats occasional deep cleaning. And that's the final habit behind Japan's effortlessly organized homes. A clean home isn't created by spending hours cleaning. It's created by small habits repeated every single day. None of these habits require expensive tools or perfect discipline. They simply make staying organized feel natural. Choose just one habit and practice it this week. Once it becomes automatic, add another. Small changes lead to remarkable results over time.